New this afternoon, more dramatic testimony in the trial of a former Florida A&M University marching band member accused in the hazing death of drum major Robert Champion in 2011. Dante Martin is charged with felony hazing and manslaughter and was the so-called ringleader in this beating. News 13's Amanda McKenzie joins us right now from the Orange County Courthouse with the latest details of what a witness revealed this morning. Amanda?
Christine, a former female band member took the stand to talk about the violent hazing the same night Robert Champion was killed in the brutal beating. Lisette Sanchez was a sophomore at the time when she volunteered to participate in the hazing ritual known as, quote, crossing Bus C. She says she told Dante Martin, the Bus C president, that she wanted to do it so she could be part of the tradition. So after the Florida Classic football game, Sanchez, along with Robert Champion and yesterday's witness Keon Hollis, went to the dark bus late at night. Sanchez says she removed her band uniform, leaving her in a tank top, bra, and shorts. She was slapped on her back multiple times for, quote, prepping. Then someone shouted, "Bring the N-word through." She says she made it halfway through the bus as people hit her. She was blocked in the aisle, preventing her from making it to the back, and says she must have been hit 100 times and says it felt like it would go on forever.
After so much beating, and it's just like, I just want to get to the back.
By the time she made it to the back of the bus, the top of her clothes were ripped off, and says it felt like she was going in and out of consciousness. Now, she says she also saw Robert Champion and he looked tired and beat up like the rest of them, and says it was about an hour later when she learned he had died. Now, when she was questioned by the defense, the focus turned to her willingness to participate in this ritual and the fact that she says she was not harassed by other band members or specifically Dante Martin. Now, testimony will continue throughout the day from other band members who were charged in this case. Reporting from the Orange County Courthouse, Amanda McKenzie, News 13.
All new emotional testimony today in the trial of a former Florida A&M University marching band member accused in the hazing death of fellow drum major Robert Champion. Prosecutors say Dante Martin was the so-called ringleader in Champion's beating death back in 2011. News 13's Amanda McKenzie joins us right now live from the Orange County Courthouse where fellow band members recalled the night Champion died. Amanda.
Joel, it was a busy day in court as prosecutors called 6 witnesses to the stand, including former bandmates who are also charged in the case, band directors, and law enforcement. 2 former Florida A&M University band members took the stand to testify about what happened the night Robert Champion died.
Says, oh God, and he passed out.
Jonathan Boyce and Sean Turner both faced the same charges as Dante Martin, who is on trial now, but took plea deals instead. Martin was known as the Bus C president and would decide when someone was allowed to participate in the hazing ritual known as crossing Bus C. Both of these bandmates testified that they helped pull Champion through the brutal beating to the end of the bus aisle so it would stop, saying they were also punched and kicked. They say they asked Champion if he was okay and he said yes, but he wasn't getting off the ground.
Saying I can't see, I can't breathe.
Someone called 911 and Timothy Wood from the Orange County Sheriff's Office was one of the first responders to arrive.
In addition to being very ashen, his eyes were open. He had what appeared to be vomit on his chin. He was cold to the touch. I assessed him for breathing and a heartbeat and found neither.
Prosecutors also called 2 Florida A&M band directors to the stand. Neither one admitted to having any knowledge of the activities on Bus C and said students sign a letter about the policy prohibiting hazing. The trial is expected to wrap up sometime next week. Reporting live from the Orange County Courthouse, Amanda McKenzie, News 13.